How to request your first Uber ride and how to order Uber. So let's get started with the tutorial. You can simply open the Uber app on your mobile device or go to the Uber web browser. Now, also make sure that you have created the Uber account. So you'll have to simply make sure to sign up to your Uber account. Once you have signed in up, simply tap on the request a ride option available there. And all you have to do is enter your pickup address and type your destination address, and you will see different ride options available depending on your city, and select one that fits your budget and group size. And simply tap on the confirm button available there or request button available there. Simply, the app will match you with the driver. Go to your pickup spot, sit back, and let the driver follow GPS to your destination. So, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.